Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm about to show you can fix crashing and launching issues in FIFA 17. I hope it's gonna work for you. Make sure you try all the methods in this video. Where maybe some method will work for you, maybe another one won't work. So make sure you try all of them, and also after completing all the steps in this tutorial, please restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. So now let's jump right into the video. So the first method, what we have to do, this is all I do always suggest people to check if there's a huge list of updates available to install. Make sure you install all of them, and then you go to advanced options and then optional updates, driver updates, and here if there also the driver updates list is huge. Make sure you check all of them, and then you click on download and install. This is the first method, and now the second one related to updating your drivers, because if you don't have the latest drivers, most definitely I'm pretty sure I can assure you that's why it's crashing and black screen, because of the drivers. You can also go to device manager to update, but usually it doesn't work for me, so I'll go through this very fast. Update driver, search best drivers your device already installed. It always does that. Always shows me that I have the latest drivers, even if you don't have, I believe. But what I like to do is to head over to GeForce Experience, and if you have a NVIDIA graphic card, make sure you click on install GeForce Experience from here. From here, just click on download button, automatic driver updates, help to update from drivers. Here, click on check for updates, and then here if there's an available driver, make sure you click on download. Also go to settings here, and I like to turn this off, image game overlay. This can no, it's good for taking capture, share videos, take screenshots, but can this interact with the game sometimes and cause crashing? So that's why I'm telling you this, to turn that off, that feature. Also make sure if you don't have, just let's go through this very fast, make sure if you don't have Microsoft Visual C++, make sure you download and install. If you don't have it, if you have, make sure now you check if you have DirectX end user. If you don't have this, make sure you click on download and install this as well. Now if you have this and you still have this problem, for AMD drivers, make sure you click on download and install. For Intel, click on download, and so make sure you go to edit power plan, and here change at power plan settings. Here make sure this is set to 100, because if you run out of memory or RAM, then this can cause crashing. So we can also fix this if we go to performance, and here change best performance and only enable showtime instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. And also go to change here, custom, select custom C, and here make sure you make this calculation 1024 multiplied by 60 being my memory RAM. I have 60. If you have 8, multiply by 8, click on equal, and then set here the result, click on set, okay, apply. And this is the virtual memory. If you go to, we can see here, where is it, storage, and here you should see saved virtual memory. I set to 31 gigabytes. You can set to 860. And now, as a side note, make sure you have if you have low specs, then probably that's the reason. Also, we have to head over to command prompt and run command prompt as administrator. That's very important, and run this command. This will fix any corrupted files on your system. Wait for this verification to complete, and then once it's done, we have to restart command prompt, and then we have to enter the next command, this one, and then the next one. Okay, And now the next method, we have to try to fix the crashing and launching issues. Also make sure you go to Windows Update Security, Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and here, no, not on graphics, here's graphics settings. Here make sure you go to change default graphics settings, and here you check both of this. I really hope, guys, now you can enjoy the game, and also, as I said before, make sure you restart your computer, and then I hope you can enjoy the game and play the game without any problems. So make sure you enable and restart your computer, and you can also, if you try everything, can reinstall your Windows, but sometimes can work that as well. I really hope now you can enjoy the game. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.